Hello everybody, Sally Pluto Debate here, and today we're going to talk about whether or not planet Pluto is a planet at all. Meet our guest coming from across the room, possibly at a different time of day. Tommy, introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Tommy Bilbopotamus, and I'm here to represent for the argument for the dwarf planet Pluto.
Hello Tommy, welcome to the show.
Hello Sally, I feel very welcome, so thank you.
It's time for you to go down.
Okay, we're just gonna get straight into it. Well, I'd like to start off and say that Pluto has always been a dwarf planet, and we're only now just discovering that, so...
You realize, Tommy, that the International Astronomy Union said that an object in space that doesn't circle any other object other than the sun has cleared its neighborhood is the type of object that can be defined as a planet. Did you realize that? What do you think about that?
Yes, I realize that, and it's that last criteria that Pluto fails at, which is why the IAU has defined Pluto as a dwarf planet.
The clearing of your neighborhood bit is what I find quite satirical, and it can't possibly be taken seriously. Like, we shouldn't be looking at the planet itself and the objects around it, but just the planet itself. That's like saying you are who everyone around you says you are, and not who you actually are on the inside. Or the outside for Pluto.
Well, actually,
Do you agree with the statement that if Earth was where Pluto is, then Earth would no longer be classified as a planet?
Sally, if Earth was where Pluto was, then there would be no one to classify it whether it is or isn't a planet. It's really cold over there. Everyone would be dead.
Do you agree with the statement or not?
No, I don't agree with that statement. Earth is a planet, that's for sure, but that doesn't change the fact that Pluto is a dwarf planet.
Still sticking with that story, huh?
Well, that's what I'm here to do, so yeah.
So, if Earth, by your logic, were to drift into an asteroid field, would it no longer be considered a planet because it has not cleared its field?
I wouldn't say that it classifies Earth as not a planet, no.
But the AIU...
It's actually IAU.
Their definition of a planet is so scientifically flawful, and it rules out almost any other planetary object not orbiting our sun. And we are a small part of the universe. Small part, man! And there are many planet-esque objects that we have found around the universe that we are just going to write off because they're not orbiting the sun? And and because of this new definition of planet? Are we going to stand for that? You know what we should do?
Tell me, Sally. Tell me.
We should stick with the geophysical planet definition. Planets are round objects in space that are smaller than stars.
Under that definition, any and all moons would be classified as a planet. It's just too vague. It doesn't work well either.
All right, everybody. That's all the time we have for today. Do you have any closing statements, Tommy?
Yes, actually, Pluto was always a dwarf planet. We just didn't always know it was. The IAU helped clear a path to that conclusion with the new definition of planets. It has flaws, yes, but Pluto was never a planet to begin with. And I think we should continue to revise the definition of a planet, because Pluto is definitely more of a dwarf planet.
Interesting. All right, folks, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for joining us, and have a lovely day. Have a lovely little day that you're having, and this has been Sally Pluto Debate.
And I'm Tommy Bilbopotamus.
Good night, everybody.